For perspective on this tragedy and the current situation at the border, we are bringing in Tucson, Arizona Mayor Regina Romero. Mayor, thanks so much for joining us tonight.
Thank you so much for having me, Natasha. I really appreciate it.
And first question for you, Mayor. The latest data shows us that the Tucson sector, your sector, has been the largest area for migrant crossings in recent months, not Texas. What impact is this having on your community? What does it feel like on the ground?
Well, first and foremost, Tucson has had a history as a city of being on the front line of welcoming immigrants and asylum seekers. But I would say in the last year, we have seen the numbers going up. To levels we have never seen before, and this is something that we are partnering with Pima County government, a nonprofit organization, Casalitas, which is part of Catholic Community Services, and we've been doing this with federal funds, making sure that we receive legally processed asylum seekers, and then usually they spend about anywhere from 24 to 72 hours in Tucson, and they usually have family or friends that they connect to throughout the rest of the country. But March 31st is the absolute deadline. This is when the city of Tucson and Pima County and Casalitas are going to run out of federal funds. And we are very concerned about what's going to happen after March 31st in terms of how we care for and help asylum seekers move throughout the rest of the country. So far, we've used federal funds for the help that we've been able to offer them. After the 31st, we don't know how it's going to get done.
I understand that. And meanwhile, we have heard about recent legislation from Arizona Republicans that would essentially allow people to kill someone suspected of trespassing on their property. What can you tell us about this bill, what residents are saying about it, and do you think this is the right thing to do?
It's absolutely not the right thing to do. These are human beings we are talking about. Unfortunately, Republicans in the state legislature have been anti-immigrant and working on anti-immigrant legislation. I mean, people should remember the Show Me Your Papers, Please law that Arizona had been in the news headlines about 10 years ago, SB 1070, and other anti-immigrant bills. And unfortunately, this is not new for Arizona. And it is very unfortunate that the federal government and Congress have refused to do their job so that you get these types of laws throughout the rest of the country, right? It's, I usually like to remind people that this is the job of Congress, both Senate and House, and their refusal to do something about what's happening on our border is very devastating for cities and counties throughout the southern border. And it's, if you think about it, Natasha, if I, as the mayor and my council, would refuse to do something about funding our police and what our police department does, that is our job. Congress refuses to do something about our broken immigration laws, and they refuse to fund the needs of what their broken immigration system is doing to cities and counties across the southern border.
Yeah, I hear you, and I appreciate the perspective on the ground. Tucson, Arizona Mayor Regina Romero, thank you for your time tonight. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.